Everything stops because of my immobilizing beam. I can stop the world, but nobody can stop me, the Purple Baron! And now to do my daily shoplifting. Japanese jewelry. Let's see. I'd have a few diamonds, a couple of rubies, and a half-dozen emeralds. Off I go, loaded with all my plunder. Home at last, in my secret penthouse hideout. $5 million. Not a bad day's play.
Something funny. Everybody stop. Never funny, even Snooker's mouth. Maybe he left a message, not it fun.
It's about time you showed up, Mumbly. It's an open and shut case of multiple impossible heists. Here comes the suspect now, flying an old purple plane. I'd stop him myself, but I feel like I'm getting zapped. Zap!
Never funny, Zapper, chicken friend. Purple Baron.
Today I clean out the city, and tomorrow the world. And why not? Nobody can stop me. Lieutenant Mumbly, relentless dog detective. But there is nothing to worry about. You are in the television set, and I am safe out here.
Doesn't want to show you who's safe.
Hey, that's a good trick. And here's a better one. And to make sure you stay in there, I will spray the box with liquid steel.
With his finely molten face.
And now we take a little ride. Ah, 10,000 feet up. This looks like a good spot. So, auf Wiedersehen, Herr Mumbly.
There's a pheasant in a pheasant's winter rumbles.
That's impossible. It can't be you. You snicker too soon. Because now I'm going to stop you from following me permanently. Not a sign of that Mumbleheimer.
Never a rumble fizzle final sign.
Ach, more mumbling? He must still be hanging around. Jump and straffle noodles. He is hanging around on a hang glider. You laughed too soon, Herr Hound. A little mountain can't stop me, but I can stop little old you with my little super paralyzer ray machine. You'll stop with that silly snickering when you land with a smack. Lucky mutt. But from now on, nothing's going to stop me from stopping you. What a spot for a rock to stop. Clever, Herr Fleabagger, but the Purple Baron has an even more clever plan. I'm gonna scram! That doggy detective will never find me 5,000 miles away and 50,000 feet up. It's so peaceful and quiet up here, except for that noisy cloud following me. Huh? A noisy cloud? That can only mean Mumbly! Ha! You expect to catch me in that homemade flying junk pile? Okay, dummy dog. Now we're going to have the dog fight. And to make sure I win, I will take care of a few details, like... Don't allow me to trim your wings, Lieutenant. Achtung, Lieutenant. When you are ready to start the doggy fight, just say the word. Okay, dog. We start the dog fight. But naturally, I shall win. Because how can I lose? Because how can I miss? Ready? Aim! Fire! Hey! Stop plugging up my immobilizer, you dumb-cop doggy! You'll make it backfire! Backfire? I'm immobilized!
The city is powerless against the Purple Baron, Chief Snooker, so let's make a deal with him.
I'm sorry, Mayor, no deals. I'll bring him in. Yikes! Here he comes now! Well, what do you know? It's the Purple Baron, and he's immobilized.
Someday the city will put up a statue of you.
Gee, thanks, Mayor. How about a statue of me bravely holding this gizmo that...
Oh, no! He accidentally immobilized himself. Well, Snooker will be out of action for a week, but he can earn his salary beautifying the city park.